And I got to work with the best team. I mean, AHA, without this team, it wouldn't be possible. And, I'll say, I mean, every department had put it their 100%. Because of that, enlightened the quality of the movie.
So, lastly, Chaitanya, most importantly, I mean, it's always nice to end because you get to sum up points from everybody. So, Sir said that he was really talking about the how he really liked working with you because he felt that you were great as an actor. So, did you feel like what was your experience of working with the whole team, and what is your character like? Your character is obviously very crucial, and title lo kuda Atidhi or whatever you. I mean, one of you is the Atidhi. So you tell us what was the experience of Anaganaga Atidhi.
First of all, yeah, this is a fanboy moment for me. So, Nenu Vamshi Sarni from the days of Munna sir. So, I've always been wanting to be a part of the project, but I get an opportunity to sit next to you and feel the aura of it. Thank you so much for coming, sir. Yeah. And coming to the film, what excited me was the work style because cinema నేను చూశాను and I loved it and I said I would love to be a part of the project. But once when I came on board and the way the level of clarity Dayal sir has, the level of execution, perfection execution, it was so amazing. And thanks to AHA because నేను ఒక ఫిలిం జోహార్ అని ఒక ఫిలిం చేశాను అండ్ ఇప్పుడు దాకా చాలా సినిమా చేశాను బట్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రీచ్ the AHA got me for the film where people appreciate the work and the kind of opportunity that I get. It's so tough for a film to release in theaters and antamandi vachi చూడటం ఇదంతా. So digital platform has been a blessing to me. It's a lovely experience working with Dayal sir. I mean, like, it was easy for me because he always used to give me that one word reference armada. This is what your character is. This is what your character is. So I am this guest who visits Payal's family, and what happens is what the story is about. So, because it's a very thriller బేస్డ్ స్టోరీ అనమాట నేను ఏం చెప్తే ఏమవుతుంది అని చెప్పి నేను పెద్దగా ఏం చెప్పట్లేదు బికాస్ డైరెక్టర్ గారు అయితే హిల్ పుట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద రైట్ వర్డ్స్ యా అండ్ ఇట్ వాజ్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ టీమ్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ చక్రపాణి సార్ వీణా మ్యామ్ కొంచెం నలుగురం ఉండటం వల్ల వీ బాండెడ్ వెరీ వెల్ అండ్ పాయల్ వాజ్ లైక్ ఐ వాజ్ when I got an opportunity to work with Payal, and Payal was like the star heroine. I'm like, wow, I get to work with Payal now. This is brilliant feeling. But 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 yeah,
I just played my character. People are taking it otherwise, then that's not my call.
but she's been very friendly, jovial, and all stuff. So I thoroughly enjoyed working for it. So looking forward to work again, sir.
And one thing I'll say about my character only, this is my first movie, I'll say, where I am not doing any kind of makeup. It's completely de-glam. I think in the morning, whenever I come on the sets and I have to take like 1.5 hour for my hair and makeup. And this movie, just I think within 7 to 10 minutes, I'm all set to go on the sets. So yeah, I enjoyed that part so much. No lenses, no mascara, no lipstick, dark. I mean, shades darker than my skin tone. And I'm sure people are ready to accept that kind of roles and characters nowadays. They want something authentic, something, real actually, which they can connect to. This poverty-stricken family and how they're dealing with every day's, the problems and everything. And one fine day, he comes and he visits and he asks for an overnight stay. And during that course of time till morning, that forms a story, right? So this is that kind of thing.
I'd just like to
Mallika. Yes, sir.
I'd just like to tell Payal one thing. Payal, as an actor and as a director who's been here for a while, I just want to tell you that be proud of whatever you do, because you've done willfully and you've created a mark for yourself, which very few people get to do that. And
Left that mark on their hearts.
yes, that's it.
And that's very difficult to erase that.
Yeah, so that's it. And yeah, it was a great interaction. I could see the spirit of the team basically working still here. I think after a shooting, after everything, when you all come together and when you still relive the moments with that happiness and the cheerfulness, that speaks a lot about the film. So wish you all the very best. And AHA is also looking very much forward for this thing, I think. And
So
thank you.
before we release the poster, the director wants to say something.
And yeah, I never forgot to thank AHA. But I think I should have started with the origin, where exactly the project started. The Trend Loud Chennai-based company, who is the producers of this film, they are the one who introduced me to AHA actually. So I think the order is like this. I should be thankful to Trend Love first. Then from there I got introduced to AHA. Today the whole Trend Love and AHA team, they have supported the work so much, and to my speed. My speed is something generally. I don't know. I will not say that. I will not say that. The thing is, it is something unusual, which is very difficult for usual technicians. It is not easy. So that way they matched my speed. So once again, I am thanking Trend Love team and AHA team for such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So now let's release the first look. Can you please?